Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We can use about integration by parts. So I will put about u equals to s. Later that we need to do first derivative for the both side, and we have like this dv that is about sine 3s ds from here. So the integration of this one, we have v equal to 1 over 3 negative cosine 3s. Next we have u multiplied by v, this one multiplied by this one, and we have negative s over 3 cosine 3s minus we have the u multiplied by v, so negative 1 over 3 with negative, so we have positive 1 over 3, and now we have the integration cosine 3s ds. So the integration of this one, we have 1 over 3 sine 3s, and I will put about c. So number 3 and number 3, we have number 9. This is the end. Thank you for watching.